Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable the eye contact effect on ELGATO Facecam Neo. First of all, you need to know that it requires an NVIDIA graphics card. So if you have an AMD card or Intel integrated card, or if you're on a Mac, then it won't work. But if you do have the NVIDIA card, which you can simply check, and we actually need to know which model do we have. So right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. Now go to Performance tab, and if you have one or two GPUs and one of them is NVIDIA, then it's great. You can install the eye contact feature, and you'll see the RDX something, and the first two digits are important. In my case it's 40, so it's the 40th generation. Now as you can see in AR effects, there is this exclamation mark, which honestly, if you don't have, you can just if you don't have this AR feature, this exclamation mark, then you can simply enable it, and you don't really need to care about your NVIDIA card, since you probably already have the AR SDK for your NVIDIA card, but you most probably don't. So click on the exclamation mark and download SDK. Now it'll open the NVIDIA.com website. Let's go to here, and you can see two AR versions. And if you scroll down, you'll see what's used in which of the AR effects. And for now, as I'm recording this video, Elgato Camera Hub is supported by the older version. Probably somewhere in the future, the newer version will support Elgato Camera Hub, so also the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series will be supported, but for now, on May 2025, only the 0.8.2 version supports Camera Hub, so the NVIDIA GeForce 50 series isn't yet supported. I have the 40 series, so I can simply click on download. If you have the 10 series, then it won't work. You need to have at least 20 series, or some different ones with like different names, but they are listed there, so don't worry about it. And now I'm gonna wait until the file gets downloaded. Then I'm gonna show you how to install it, and later on we'll need to restart the computer. After the restart, the Camera Hub will have that feature available. So I'm gonna go back to when that file is downloaded. And now, as you can see, the exe file is just downloaded, so let's open it. Okay, I think it's finishing it yet. Okay, now it is finished, so I don't know if it's opening itself. Yeah, it is. Now I need to agree to the agreement. There are some errors that they shouldn't be showing, honestly, but if they are, then just ignore all the errors. They are showing in my case because I have installed the program earlier, and maybe that's the problem. Then if I close it, I should restart the computer. So I'm just gonna pause the video for a moment. And now I am back. I've restarted the laptop, and I can enable the eye contact now, but a little warning, it looks a bit creepy. So if I open it, then if I don't have the AR contact at all, the eye contact at all, then it won't really make me have it. But if I start looking closely to the camera, it does have it, and it does look creepy. So you may not like it. I don't like it at all, but this video is for those that may like it. And I hope that video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.